Seven-time winners and defending champions Portmore United will be hunting their 10th win of the season as they host Humberland in the Red Stripe Premier League on Sunday. Simon Preston has our RSPL preview.
After registering 4 wins on the trot, title holders Portmore United were reminded of the harsh reality when they were beaten by Harbourview last Sunday. And it doesn't get any easier for Portmore United, who will host Humber Lion at the Prison Oval. Humber Lion were also losers on Sunday. Like Portmore, Humber Lion are on 30 points.
We just have to continue to work hard, continue to dig in and continue to improve on a weekly basis. And I'm seeing it happening day by day, gradually. We're getting better, we're improving. So we just have to continue to improve and bring it over into games.
4 wins in the last 5 games has seen Mount Pleasant Academy rise to second in the table. This weekend they face Cellar Dwellers Very United as they search for their 12th win this campaign. Waterhouse's task could be a manageable one as they will be at home to a UAFC side that has won just twice this season and are just a spot off the foot of the table. Dunbeholden's season is going better than most would have expected, and they have managed to get themselves within touching distance of the top 6 as ambitions run high. They will face Cavalier, who are tied on 28 points at the Royal Lakes Field.
Up and down the season has been because there were a lot of games where we lost by 1 goal and we should have won or gotten a point or something like that. And lack of concentration, most of those games and laps and all those things cost us even a point out of those games. But we're stepping up now. That's 2 on the chat with a draw before those 2. So it obviously showing that we are going up.
2 defeats are followed by a victory for Harbourview, who will play away to Tivoli Gardens. But the Edward Seaga Sports Complex has not been a happy hunting ground for the Stars of the East in recent times. However, coach Damien Stewart knows what they need to do.
I pick up the team at a stage in the season when, it's a bit late, but as you can see, the work is being done and slowly but surely they're buying into what I'm trying to do here.
5-time winners Arnett Gardens will host newcomers Malines United in the Monday night fixture at the Anthony Spaulding Sports Complex. Simon Preston reporting for TVJ Sports.